Why should you get renter's insurance? Why shouldn't you? Just like all insurance policies, it not only protects you, but also your belongings. The big difference is that renter's insurance is one of the least expensive insurance programs across the board. Policies can start at $75 and vary depending upon your coverage, the company, and a few other items. One of the ways you're protected with renter's insurance is through the liability limit. The biggest way this protects you is in the case of damages. Let's say you're enjoying a night at home, you've got some candles burning, and you're relaxing, when all of a sudden you get called away with the promise of a fun night out. 3 hours later, you come home to find the fire department at your apartment, and what used to be your bedroom is now a giant smoldering hole. If you don't have renter's insurance, guess who's going to be paying to turn that hole back into a bedroom? You. If you had renter's insurance, your liability coverage would pick up the tab up to the coverage limit, which most renters have about a $100,000 liability. In instances where fault, like the burning candles, can be traced back to the tenant, neither the landlord nor the landlord's insurance will cover losses and repairs in the apartment. This is why renters need a separate policy. So that's about the apartment, but what about everything inside it? Your belongings are protected up to the personal property amount that you and your agent decide, but most companies don't offer a limit any lower than $15,000. This amount includes your clothing, electronics, furniture, and anything else in the apartment that you own. Let's get back to that example before. Except now there's no candles burning, but when you got the message, you happen to make a Facebook status about going out for the night and how much fun it will be. You walk out, leaving your empty, locked, but uninsured apartment. Now you get home and find someone has broken in and stolen your TV, laptop, digital camera, and gaming console. Here's where your personal property coverage would swing in for the rescue. You file a report with the police, give the claim to your insurance company. Eventually, you will need to pay your deductible, and then your insurance company will help get you back to where you were before the theft, which means you'll now have a similar TV, laptop, digital camera, and gaming console back, as well as a new outlook on your Facebook status. Whether you live in a tiny studio or rent a full house, renter's insurance is a great value and asset to you as a responsible renter. Talk to your agent about renter's insurance today.